Welcome back. Now I'm going to solve a doubt asked by a student. This is question number 23 from the specimen paper released by ICSE for term exam 1 of academic year 2021-2022. Question is, the distance between station A and station B by road is 240 kilometer and by train is 300 kilometer. A car starts from station A with a speed x kilometer per hour, whereas a train starts from station B with a speed 20 kilometer per hour more. It is more. It's not 20 kilometer per hour. It is 20 kilometer per hour more than the speed of the car. Find time taken by car, time taken by train, equation for x if time taken by train is 1 hour less and speed of car. So we need to relate speed, time and distance. How are they related? Speed is rate of change of distance with respect to time. So speed is basically distance by time. That's it. Speed is distance by time. So if I cross multiply, I can write time of car, that is the time taken by car, is distance traveled by car divided by speed of car. Look at the distance traveled by car, 240. Speed of car, x. 240 by x. Similarly, time taken by train is speed of train divided by, distance traveled by train divided by speed of train. Distance traveled by train is 300. Speed of train, x plus 20. Speed of car plus 20. This is the first subdivision. This is the second subdivision. So very simple. Speed is distance by time. Therefore, time becomes distance by speed. Car 240 kilometers, speed x. Train 300 kilometers, speed x plus 20. Now, how are these two time related? That is also given in the question. Time taken by train is 1 hour less. So if car takes 20 hours, train will take 19 hours. That is, you subtract those two numbers, you should get 1. So time taken by car minus time taken by train is 1 hour. Substitute now. Time taken by car 240 by x minus time taken by train 300 by x plus 20 is 1. If I take the LCM, I can get a quadratic equation for x. So take the LCM. How to take the LCM? Cross multiply first. Carefully. 240 into x. 240x. So I did 240 into x. That is 240x. Next, 240 into 20. 240 into 20. That is 24 into 2. 48. 4,800. So plus 4,800 minus 300 into x. 300x divided by, what is this LCM when I take? X into x plus 20. X into x, x square. X into 20 is 20x. So this becomes x square plus 20x is equal to 1. Take this on the other side. 240x plus 4,800 minus 300x is equal to x square plus 20x. Now here I can simplify. 240 minus 300, that is minus 60. So minus 60x plus 4,800 is x square plus 20x. Bring it all on one side. 0 is equal to x square plus 20x minus 60 comes the other side plus 60x. 4,800 comes the other side minus 4,800, or 0 is equal to x square plus 20 plus 60, 80x minus 4,800. This is the equation for x. So we got the third subdivision also. The fourth one, find the speed of car. Speed of car is x. If you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the speed of car. So all we need to do now is just solve this quadratic equation. You can solve it two ways. You can factorize it, or you can use the formula. Use the formula. That is the easiest way to solve it. It might be a little longer, but result is guaranteed. But if you use factorization and if it's a fraction, then you will be in trouble. So use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is a? Coefficient of x square. It is 1. There's nothing next to x square. So it is 1. B, coefficient of x. What is next to x? 80. And C, it's the constant, minus 4,800. Identify them carefully. Once you identify them carefully, put it in the formula. So I have x is equal to minus 80 plus or minus root of 80 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4,800 divided by 2. This is x is equal to minus 80 plus or minus root of 8 square. 8 square is 64. We finished 8 square. What is left out then? 10. 10 square, 100. So 64 and 2 zeros. Minus 4 into 8. 4 eights are 32. Carry over 3. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19200. But it is minus. Minus of minus will become plus divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 80 plus or minus. Add these numbers now. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 4, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So very simple. All those who are getting confused. 0, 0, 6, 15, 1, 256. So 25,600 divided by 2. What is the root of 256? We know root of 225 is 15. So look for the next number. 16. 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6. 9. 1 6s are 6. 1 1s are 1. So 6, 15, 256. So it's minus 80 plus or minus root of 256 is 16. Root of 100 is 10. So 16 into 10, 160 by 2. Root of 256 is 16. 2 zeros, that is 100. Root of 100 is 10. This will give us now the value of x. That is minus 80 plus 160 by 2 and minus 80 minus 160 by 2. Minus 80 plus 160 is 80 by 2. Minus 80 minus 160 is minus 240 by 2, which is 80 by 2 is 40 kilometers per hour. Minus of 240 by 2 is minus 120 kilometers per hour. But speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative. Speed is positive. Therefore, x is 40 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the car. So first, you must know the relation speed is equal to distance by time. So time taken by car is distance of car by speed of car. Time taken by train, distance traveled by train by speed of train. That is 20 kilometers more, x plus 20. The difference in the two time is 1 hour. So subtract them, it should be 1. Now find the LCM, that is cross multiply 240x plus 4800 minus 300x is equal to x square plus 20x. Bring them all on one side, you will get x square plus 80x minus 4800. This is a quadratic equation, put it in the formula. 80 square is 6400, 48 into 4 is 19,200. Add them, 25,600. Root of that is 160. Break it up in the exam, very simple. 256 into 100. Root of 256, 16. Root of 100, 10. So 16 into 10, 160. Then minus 80 plus or minus 160, that is minus 80 plus 160 minus 80 minus 160. Speed cannot be negative, so it should be 80 by 2, which is 40 kilometers per hour. This is the speed.